Due to their elongated body shape without a traditional torso, snakes have evolved an asymmetric internal anatomy, where paired organs, such as kidneys, ovaries, or gonads, are arranged in a front-to-back sequence rather than side-by-side like in most vertebrates. Additionally, they typically have only one functional lung, the right one, with the left being greatly reduced or vestigial, allowing more space for other organs in their narrow bodies while still enabling efficient respiration during constriction or swallowing large prey. The spider-tailed horned viper, Pseudocerastes urarachnoides, from western Iran possesses one of the most elaborate predatory lures in the animal kingdom. Its tail tip is modified with elongated scalable appendages that mimic the appearance and movements of a spider, complete with leg-like structures, which it wiggles to attract insectivorous birds. When a bird strikes at the spider, the snake rapidly counters and envenomates its actual meal, turning the hunter into the hunted through this remarkable case of aggressive mimicry. Certain keelback snakes, genus Rhabdophis, are uniquely both venomous and poisonous, a rare combination in reptiles, because they sequester potent toxins from the poisonous toads they consume, storing these defenses in specialized nuchal glands along their necks. When threatened by predators too large to envenomate effectively, they release the toad-derived poisons as a chemical deterrent, conserving their own venom for hunting while gaining passive protection from their diet. The tentacled snake, Erpeton tentaculatum, an aquatic species from Southeast Asia, has two short, fleshy tentacles protruding from its snout that function as highly sensitive mechanoreceptors. These detect minute water disturbances from passing fish, allowing the snake to predict prey movement and execute lightning-fast strikes that anticipate escape paths, often curving its body to create a C-start reflex trap that forces fish toward its waiting jaws in a fraction of a second. Some snakes exhibit parthenogenesis, virgin birth, under stress or isolation, where females produce viable offspring without mating. One documented case involves a royal python, ball python, that laid a healthy clutch of eggs after over 15 years without male contact, with genetic analysis confirming the young were clones of the mother, showcasing this rare asexual reproductive strategy that helps isolated populations persist. The dwarf reed snake, Pseudorhabdion longiceps, from Southeast Asia employs an extraordinary escape mechanism known as cartwheeling. When threatened, it tucks its head and flips its body in a series of rapid somersaults to roll away downhill or across surfaces, a gymnastic behavior observed in the wild that allows this small snake to evade predators far more effectively than simple slithering. Brown tree snakes, Boiga irregularis, have developed a unique lasso locomotion for climbing smooth, wide surfaces like tree trunks or poles without branches. They form multiple loops with their body around the object, anchoring upper sections while advancing lower ones in an inchworm-like progression, enabling invasive populations on islands like Guam to reach bird nests high in canopy structures that other snakes cannot access. Fossil evidence reveals that around 66 million years ago, a primitive snake called Sanage indicus was preserved coiled around a crushed titanosaur egg near a hatchling dinosaur in an Indian nest. This 11.5-foot-long serpent likely preyed on baby sauropods, illustrating that even in the age of dinosaurs, snakes were already specialized ambush predators capable of raiding nests of massive herbivores that grew to enormous sizes rapidly after hatching.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment.